Hey everyone, the newest model in Blackview's robust smartphone portfolio, the BV8200, was released in early 2025. With the exception of an improved processor, the BV8200 appears to be very similar to its predecessor, the BV8100. On closer examination, though, the processor performance variations seem to be negligible, casting doubt on the need for this update. Let's examine this smartphone's features in more detail, like versions like the BV7300. BV8200 is packaged in a box that follows Blackview's conventional design. The necessary components are included: a 45-watt charging adapter, a USB cable, a SIM ejector clip, and a user handbook. The phone itself has some intriguing features worth checking out, even though the accessories are typical. The BV8200 maintains Blackview's rough look in terms of design. Along with a SIM card slot, the device's right side has a lock button, another programmable button, and a volume rocker. Dual flashlights are located at the top, a feature that was previously only found on Blackview models. At the bottom is a Type-C connector that is covered by a cap and has a strap mount for further functionality. The phone has a dual camera configuration, a secondary display, and a ruggedized coating on the rear that adds to its robustness. The BV8200 runs Android 14 with Blackview's Dock OS 4.0 interface and has a Helio G100 processor, 12 gigs of RAM, and 256 gigs of internal storage. With this configuration, multitasking is handled with ease, and apps launch rapidly. However, the Helio G100's advancements are mostly theoretical when compared to the Helio G99 found in the BV8100. Compared to the G99's 108 megapixels, the new processor can support cameras with up to 200 megapixels. Nevertheless, most users will not find this improvement to be very useful. The BV8200's camera system consists of a 13 megapixels wide-angle lens and a 50 megapixels primary camera. The secondary display on the phone's back is one of its most notable features. It can show a clock and serve as a quick access tool for functions like the camera or compass, despite its limited usefulness. However, there aren't many choices for customization. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz, the front display provides colorful images and fluid scrolling, demonstrating Blackview's commitment to producing high-quality panels. Additionally, the BV8200 has an 8,800 mAh battery, which is the same capacity as its predecessor. This guarantees prolonged use, which is especially advantageous for outdoor pursuits. Phone can be used as a dependable flashlight in situations including camping or traveling because of its two flashlights, which produce a concentrated beam. BV8200, which was priced at about $200 when it was first released on AliExpress, is reasonably priced. It is a sturdy, robust smartphone with smooth display, a big battery, and dependable performance. However, rather than being revolutionary, the modifications can feel incremental to those upgrading from the BV8100. To sum up, the Blackview BV8200 is a great choice for those looking for a dependable and long-lasting smartphone. Although it doesn't completely change the series, it improves on the elements that viewers of Blackview have grown to love. Watch for next updates for a thorough analysis and a deeper look at its potential. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.